The Ultimate GlycoBoost Reviews tutorial from 0 to Pro in 1 minute. If you're managing blood sugar, most people get this wrong by relying solely on diet or medication. The surprising truth about GlycoBoost is that it's a natural supplement designed to support healthy glucose levels and overall metabolic function. First, understand the ingredients. You won't believe how effective a blend of chromium, cinnamon extract, and alpha-lipoic acid can be. These compounds help regulate blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, and support energy levels. Next, the recommended usage. Most people get this wrong by taking inconsistent doses. GlycoBoost is typically taken once or twice daily with meals. Consistency is key to seeing results and maintaining stable blood sugar throughout the day. Look at real-life results. The surprising truth is that users report improved energy, reduced sugar cravings, and more stable glucose readings within a few weeks of use. This shows that supplements can be a helpful complement to lifestyle changes. Finally, check reviews. You won't believe how many people highlight both effectiveness and minimal side effects. Real user experiences confirm that GlycoBoost can fit safely into a daily health routine. In conclusion, GlycoBoost can take you from 0 to Pro in blood sugar support. By understanding its ingredients, following proper usage, monitoring results, and reviewing user experiences, you can maintain healthier glucose levels naturally. Supplements work best as part of a complete wellness plan.